What's up guys, my name is Ryan, and in this video we're going to be walking through the technical stock analysis for NIO. Its ticker symbol, NIO. After we properly analyze the stock, it should provide us a good understanding if it can become a good investment choice for us. It's done quite well recently, but we want to understand if it can continue its run. We will investigate the stock's investment potential on both long and short-term bases. But before we do that, please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content so we can continue making it for you in the future. Let's get right into the stock analysis, so let's go. Taking a look at the one-day chart for NIO, we can see that it's done very well since June. It was only $4, and now it's up over 20. So very good opportunity if you got in at the very beginning, but still, let's kind of take a look and see if it can be a good opportunity still going forward, because it potentially could be a little bit overbought, as you see by the stochastic indicator here, where we are in the high. Technically we are in the overbought area right here, but it's still up above, the median value here for quite a long duration of time. So that's something to keep a lookout, as potentially we might see a downtrend due to that. As you see here too, you can look by the volume. The volume is decreasing with spikes, and then a decrease in volume, spike, decrease in volume. This could become like the same trend, spike with a decrease in volume. So potentially right now it might be a poor choice to kind of get invested. You might want to wait a little while to see if this actually follows the same trend with a spike, decrease in volume, spike, decrease in volume here. So obviously, if it does the same thing, you could kind of time that out potentially and get a better price. See here, the price actually decreases with the decrease in volume. Same with here, spike, decrease in volume, and decrease in stock price. I also marked out some levels of support and resistance here. So we have a really strong support at 16.8. This was back at the early September when the market kind of went down after its peak. And then we also have about the 17.8, 18.5, and then the $20 level. So this is going to be a key level here, just because $20 is a nice round number, potentially to see as a support. The only resistance that we have is the one all-time high that we hit at 22.59. Just very recently, so that'll be another point to kind of consider. Here we can see that it's kind of trending up in this channel, so I marked it out here. So potentially, it'll be very good if we see this hit the top of the channel here, but that'll also act as another resistance going forward, and then the support here as a bottom trend line. Still taking a look at the one-day chart, I'm using our tool, the Fibonacci extension, with the swing low position here at the 16.8 and the swing high position at the 22.59 level, and then it propagates these levels of support and resistance. The only ones that we didn't have documented was this one here at the 21.34 level, and then also it gives us this higher one at the 161% Fibonacci level of 26.21, but I believe that's a higher value than even if it touches the top of our channel here. So that would be a very good point if it actually hits that 26 level. That's a big improvement from the current stock price. Another tool that we can use is the Fibonacci time series. So let's run that. I'll actually delete this first. So if we use Fibonacci time series, same points here. Oops, that would be backwards. So we have some dates here. I'll mark them. I'll have to zoom in also. So let's do this. So we can see some potential dates of October 5th, which is actually my birthday, October 10th, and October 20th, that we can see potential events with the stock price on. So those are some key points to see. Potentially we'll see this volume decrease like we saw previously. So that's one thing to look out for. I would not suggest buying at the current stock price. I would wait to kind of get back in if this trend continues. Overall though, I think this could be a potentially good long-term option for some investors. I think a lot of the EV market is becoming a lot more saturated now. There's a lot more companies competing, which will be more of a detriment to individual companies. But still, it's a really big push, as there's a lot of market share still to be left on the table. So I think NIO has a very good opportunity to capture some of that market share. So I think, really, it's seemingly set up to be a pretty good investment. You just have to make sure that you're getting in on the right price, considering how much it's actually ran over a short amount of time. So you just have to be careful on that. If you choose to get in, good luck. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this kind of content, please like and subscribe so we can continue making it for you guys. If you have a question or want me to take a look at a specific stock, please leave it in the comments below.